In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Modern Warfare and Warzone shaders preloading stock at 0%. So first off, you just have to go to your Steam and imagine that this is your Modern Warfare 3 or Warzone. You just have to go to properties, and once you are in here, you just have to go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. Now, the second method is just go to browse, and once you are in here, you could find the name of COD23 in here in your files section in your Warfare 3 or in your Warzone. So you could click code 23 and go to shader cache. Now once you are in this shader cache folder, you should delete all the items, all the objects in there because there are just cache. And as example for like this is your shader cache. You just have to delete all items in here. And the other method is just go to Windows R, just click Windows R and local app data and just search for Modern Warfare 3 in here and Warzone in here and delete their cache also in here. And once that's done, that would fix. Now, if it doesn't still fix your Warzone or Modern Warfare 3, you just have to reinstall your game and that's it.